Hey guys, welcome to the fifth video in this Django series. Today we're going to talk about Django admin. In the last video we just created the model for a blog post, and in this one we're going to start using Django admin to create blog posts and to manage blog posts. Django admin is one of the best features of Django. Not many web frameworks come with a already built-in admin dashboard and functionality like Django, and it's really nice to use. So let's get started with this video. Again, I'm heading to my terminal and I'm just going to, as always, navigate to the folder where I have my project, cd desktop, and then Django girls. Okay, and as always, just check here with an ls and remember to activate the virtual environment, source. Okay, and now I'm using Visual Studio Code to open my project. Okay, here is everything just like we left it last time. We created this model, and now we want to be able to manage this model through our Django admin. And to do that, first we have to do the model registration into the admin. To do that, we go inside here into the blog app we created last time, and you have a script already there called admin.py. Okay, so again, we're going to register the model here, so we need to do another import from .models import post. What this line of code is actually doing is just getting the post we defined in the model script right here. Okay, we define the model script right here, and we're just importing it here to be able to use it. That's simple enough. And now with just one line of code, we perform the registration, admin.site.register, and inside the parentheses, the name of the model. Okay, so I think that's about it for registering. So we now have to create so before we start using the admin dashboard, we need to create a super user, which will be like an admin user, which can have full access to the web app and can do everything. Okay, so after you save this, we go again to the terminal, and to create the super user, like with everything else, we can use the Django command line tools. This is pretty easy again. Just type in the command right here, python manage.py create super user. If you remember, we've always been relying on this manage.py script. This is like one of the main command line tools of Django, which performs pretty much everything. If you hit enter right now, ignore the migrations for the moment. Username, you can give a custom username. I'm just going to give this the username admin. Just give an email address. I'm just going to give something like admin@admin.com. Password, you can just set up something easy because this won't go into production at the moment, or this will be, we might put it live, but it's just for a simple project to test your skills, so the password strength doesn't really matter here. But keep in mind in the future when you create an admin dashboard for a project you're going to use, to always choose a good password. Okay, so I'm just using again password admin. Give the password again. As you can see that Django already checks for the strength of your password, but I'm just going to bypass this password validation because, as I said, this is just for a test project. Oh, okay. It seems to have we have an error here. Okay, so from what I can see, this is an issue with the migrations, so we shouldn't have skipped them. So if you have this error like me, just try python manage.py migrate. Okay, so we had to migrate everything before we continue to create the super user. So again, just to type in python manage.py create super user. I'm just going to give the username admin@admin.com. This is an email address that doesn't exist, at least as far as I know. A simple password. Okay. Yes. Okay. So now we have created the super user, and we can continue to use the admin dashboard. This is pretty simple. So if you remember from previous videos how to run the project, we again just type in python manage.py run server. Okay, you can check, you can see that it's already running on localhost at port 8000. So you can just click this and it should take you to the okay, so here everything seems in order. You see the rocket launching, so the project is running. Now the admin dashboard is in this URL. Just add -admin, and as you can see, you already have a fully running admin dashboard, which is pretty magical if you ask me. And just type in the username and the password you set up. You log in, and here it is. So you have the post model you created right here, and you can add a post. So if you remember, these are all the fields we specified right here in the post model. You have author, title, text, created date, published date. So as you can see, we have everything here, everything we need to create a post. I'm just going to create one. The author is going to be the admin. I'm just going to call this first post. Just the first post, nothing more. And as you can see from the created date, we set it up to take the moment that we created, the moment that we click on add post, it takes automatically the date and time. And for publish date, we can set it up for right now, and we can just hit save. And as you can see, the dashboard has a nice user interface right here. Let me zoom this up. And you can see you have your first post here. You can click it again. You can edit it. You can do everything right here. And you can create another one, of course. This is, as I mentioned before, this is very, very nice for Django to provide you with a fully working admin dashboard right off the bat. So you don't have to create that from scratch. It's already there and you can use it. Okay, so this was a short video. I was just going to show you how to use the Django admin dashboard. You can continue to create more posts, which you can use into the site later. So if you like this, please leave a like, subscribe, share if you want to, and make sure to check out my Twitter and Instagram and follow along with the tutorials. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.